ISP PGP Pro is a weekend MBA equivalent program for mid career professionals. Now, this program is accepting applications now. The next deadline for the ISB PGP Pro is due on 18th of August 2024, and this deadline is for the Mumbai and the Bangalore cohorts. If you know ISB PGP Pro, this program is conducted across four locations across in India, which are Mumbai, Bangalore, Delhi, as well as Hyderabad. So the intake for Mumbai and Bangalore is open yet. The intake for Delhi and Hyderabad is closed for this year. It will open up very soon in a few months from now, and we'll keep you updated on that. What is the ISB PGP Pro program? This is an 18 months long program. This is a weekend MBA. You need to attend the program on alternate weekends. It is technically a weekend executive MBA equivalent program. And the ISB PGP Pro offers two specializations, marketing and finance. The batch size for any of the locations could range between 50 to 80 professionals across NCR, Mumbai, Hyderabad, and Bangalore. The eligibility for the ISB PGP program is that you need to have a bachelor's degree or an equivalent qualification. Along with that, you must be a working professional with a minimum of 5 years of work experience. To apply to the ISB PGP Pro program, you do not need any test score. You don't need to submit a GMAT score or the GRE scores for the ISB PGP Pro application process. So, what is required for the ISB PGP Pro application is the online application, which will include your professional qualifications, your educational qualifications, along with that, your professional work experience in quite some detail. Along with that, there will be a few essays that you need to address, two letters of recommendation. This goes to your application form. Once you're shortlisted through this particular process, then you need to go in for the ISB interview. So this is the process for the ISB PGP Pro intake. This is not a full-time program. The class profile for ISB PGP Pro is very typical. The average age in class for the ISB PGP Pro is 33 years, and the average work experience in the class is around 10.1 years. So if you are, consider the program if you are looking at a mid to a senior level cohort in the classroom. If we look at the industries which are represented, the class is very diverse. However, the top three industries which are represented in the class of ISB PGP Pro are the IT products and services, which comprise around 32% of the class. The consulting industry is around 10% of the class, and finance industry is around 9% of the class. So these are only three of the many industries which are a part of the ISB PGP Pro class. So when you are evaluating the program, you can take this into account as well. Do share and like this video and subscribe to the channel for more updates. In case you need any assistance with the application or the interview preparation, feel free to get in touch with us.